A luscious parfait combined with some nutty and fruity flavors makes for a wonderful experience. Welcome to Britannia Dessert Carnival. I'm Chef Shipra Khanna and today I'm going to show you how to make Nutty Parfait with Good Day Wonderfulls. So let's get started. So first of all, I am going to mix hung yogurt and cream in a bowl. And hung curd. And I am going to add a little bit of castor sugar. And now I am going to whisk it till all the ingredients are well mixed. Okay, this is ready and well mixed. Now I'm going to transfer this into a piping bag. Okay. The chunky tip of the day is that if you want to add flavors to your parfait, you can add some fresh fruit flavors to it. It tastes really good. Okay, now I'm going to cut this and keep it aside. Now I'm going to add Good Day Wonderfulls to the parfait base. They are really crunchy and the delectable chocolate flavor makes a balanced parfait in terms of texture and taste. So I'm going to roughly break it and put it on the base of the parfait. That should be it. Now I'm going to sprinkle it with mixed dry fruit. Wonderfulls parfait is ready. The fruit and nuttiness gives extra texture and flavor for a wonderful experience. If you enjoyed this recipe, do like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to keep up with Britannia Dessert Carnival.